It is. That was beautiful. I'm from Jamaica, so this is my first time actually seeing this. But I've been here quite a while, but I've never actually seen this before. So it was beautiful. Thank you.
Oh yeah, we are grandmother Vivian.
Grandmother Vivian?
I'm her helper. Yeah. I'm from Wichita Corporation,
Okay.
fire facility, and I've been living here in Tagalonga for 50 years.
6 years? Oh, that's very
I am
beautiful.
part of the Social Protective Program.
Oh, nice, nice.
And I'm certified.
So,
And I'm I was adopted, raised in Mississauga, and eventually lived here in Toronto for a bit, and I live in Cape Captain. But I help out the turtle protectors. The turtle is actually one of my protectors, so I have to make sure I honor that
it's your
turtle.
spirit animal, right?
Yeah, well, one of them. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
nice, nice.
More of a protector.
More of a
Yeah.
protector than
So I have to make sure I honor that turtle.
I do want to go out there to learn more because I know, I've really seen all of these things from movies. I don't really know the true
Exactly.
history
Yeah,
of
so I
everything.
put a friend out there.
Oh, yes, I do know that. Like the first map was built with a turtle with the island on top of it. I've done that history. Yes, yes.
The story is all about
It's called Kanata, right?
Oh, the original.
The original. Yes, the
That's
original.
not from us.
I know, I know.
We have sovereign nations that live on Turtle
Okay,
Island.
okay, yeah.
My band is Horse Lake First Nation, so I'm also settler here
Okay.
in Northern Alberta.
Oh, nice, nice, nice. Like I haven't really been out of Toronto yet, but I choose to travel. So this is my channel. It's called Food-Farrell. We travel, we eat, everything we do, we tend to go around and just record it. We like beauty, we like nature, so we just record everything. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Like my wife right now is her channel, but she's actually at work right now, so I'm just covering it for her. So
Okay.
yes. Thank you again. Very beautiful, very beautiful.
Travel all the way.